So y'all, I just paid for my wife to go ahead and do the build your own chocolate. All right. So we finna see how this goes. It's new. I ain't never let her make chocolate. But she finna try to make some chocolate. We finna see how this go. I'm gonna taste the chocolate. I think it's supposed to come with a drink too. So I didn't want to do it as well. I didn't want both of us doing it because one of us want the vlog. All right. Most definitely I want to cater to my wife because it's her anniversary. She want to do this so bad. So hey, what they say, happy wife, happy life, happy spouse, happy house.
Happy spouse, happy house.
What you say?
Happy spouse, happy house.
Yeah, what she said. So I'm actually waiting on these people now to go ahead and clean up so we can go in there and start making our chocolate. We the first ones here. She wants to do this so bad. So she got what she wanted. We are in the little area where you make the chocolate. So Ashley's about to make her chocolate. I guess we're gonna get some kind of starter introduction. Yeah, we are. So we finna get the cooking.
Okay. Welcome guys. That's our hot chocolate. It's made out of with milk chocolate and water.
Oh.
And a little bit of vanilla.
Oh, that's so good.
You like it?
That is good.
That is
Oh,
good.
wait.
It's rich.
They're really yummy.
What is it?
It's hazelnuts and dark chocolate. Oh, you're lucky.
Uh-oh, you might well get that one. Just get that one. Yeah, I can take this one.
This one. The real cacao pot. So this is the way they actually look. You can touch it, smell it, you can eat one of the beans if you want to. Just don't chew it because the taste is awful. But the outside, the skin, the flesh around, the white stuff is really, really tasty. To me, it tastes like a lychee. It's really, really similar to lychee. Are you scared about it?
I
It's really good. Trust me. People down in Chiapas prepare drinks with that skin.
Oh. Go for it.
We have a great one here.
Go for it. Go for it.
Just grab one bean and then just suck it. Don't chew it, okay?
It's gooey.
What do you think?
It's a weird texture.
Yeah, so it's similar to lychee, the flavor. Sample palettes.
Oh.
So now we're gonna hear a little bit more about the percentages in the cacao, okay? The first one to my right, that's your left. That one is a 66% dark chocolate made of with Tabasco beans. So Tabasco is the state of Mexico down in the south. So it's a most production state here in Mexico. So this chocolate, if you want to taste it, go ahead. That chocolate is really smoky. To me, it's really, really tasty. You're gonna find different tones of flavors there, like smoky, tobacco, bitter, and then at the end, some kind of a honey flavor. That's because of the sugar we use.
I finished that one up.
You can put it here. And then, I just forgot you had the bean in your mouth. You didn't tell anything. And I was like, oh, whatever. Okay, now the next chocolate we have in the palette is a 70% dark chocolate. This one is from the Amazonian jungle in Ecuador. So this chocolate to me is really plain. So really smoky, that's it, just smoky. Doesn't have any tones in it, it's just smoke. That's it. And it's actually not as strong as the first one we just ate. Yeah? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Next one, it's a milk chocolate. That one is a 40% cacao. That means this chocolate has 30% of nibs, 10% of butter, and the rest is a mix of sugar and powder.
Mm.
It's one of the really, really tastiest one we have. It's really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
And has some vanilla flavor.
Oh, that's good. That one is really good.
Yeah. Now the next one is a golden caramel. Golden caramel is our own version of white chocolate. So it's basically cacao butter, caramelized sugar, and toast milk. So toast powder. And the flavor is kind of like a caramel.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like the white chocolate we used to.
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Yes.
I like that.
Glad.
Okay, now the last one you had in your palette, you can see is a pink chocolate. But this pink chocolate doesn't mean we add flavor in it or we add color in it. It's a naturally pink, naturally fruity flavor in the chocolate.
Really?
Yeah. Nobody knows where it's from because the person that produced this cacao is actually really selfish with the thing. So they just want to sell it to earn money. He doesn't want to share how he make it. But it's actually a naturally pink.
You can put it inside or on the top. I think the much better is to the bowl.
Do both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I think I'm doing
Just dead joker and dead joker.
Can you taste it?
They can keep it like, yeah.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, we want these. We want these for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So we just put it in there?
Yep. Those are the best
You
ones.
didn't like it?
I like
I love
these.
they spice my chocolate.
Well, yeah, I
They
did.
dump all that in there.
It was really weird to
It
me
is
at the beginning. When I moved out here, it was really, really hard for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Like, Venezuela.
Oh,
you from Minnesota?
Venezuela.
Oh, Venezuela. I thought you said Minnesota. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't need chili. That's
You said these two?
Yeah, though. I guess leave them for the top.
you can make this one someday.
Oh, that's good. I'm putting blueberries.
Cuídame este mientras para ponerle un poquito más.
Taste them and let me know what you think. To me, they good. Shoot, I did everything. So,
I'm doing one side with
Would
blueberries.
you recommend any combinations?
Well, it's really tasty, the lemon with the black pepper. You're too
Did she say
spicy
black
in your
pepper?
chocolate, so
No, sir.
I can
this
No,
one
sir.
with the sea salt
That's right.
and plus, yeah.
And then
We're gonna put blueberries
Just a
on one
pinch.
side.
Yeah, just like on that end, like those two rows.
black pepper on one of them.
On one.
And put more of these and stuff.
I like them
So
better.
just remember which one is it, so you can put
We'll
it on
taste it.
top.
We'll taste it, right?
Put it on
Should
top.
I
so
eat
you
them for
know.
myself? Man?
We'll take a picture of it. So you know.
What's more of these?
Okay, guys.
It's more
So
the pink.
now this is the way to fill up our chocolate bar. Okay.
Okay.
A ver, amigo. Mario. He's coming. He's gonna show you how to do it. Okay.
Yeah, pull it on down, pull it on down.
And you get these two fingers.
And then
So you're just gonna squish in here, not here, because it's not the chocolate's not gonna come out.
on the edge of the table, tap it.
Ready?
I guess.
Again, don't squish here, just
Okay,
up.
just up here.
Yep, this is ours.
Try to keep it close because it's not.
Shoot, dude.
Yeah, I still have bubbles too. Is it
I think
okay?
it's perfect because the thing you're putting can be or we can change it to the top.
There we go.
So now Mari's gonna show you how we do the shells to put the soft center, to make the soft center chocolate. Okay? I'm gonna take this with me, okay?
The mold is the same material as this one. We put chocolate.
I know.
That's practice. Believe me, the first time I did one.
I don't know about that one.
So pretty.
I know.
So the other way around the chocolate, in this one, the other way around.
This way.
Remember the layer of chocolate?
Yeah.
Put it in.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
And now I just push down.
On top of the chocolate, you put it there. There you go.
Hey, look at you.
Like a pro.
Ugh, I wish.
Just lift the fork. There you go. Be patient. There.
Yeah, cute little
Clean
design.
a little bit. Now toss your chocolate up and back. Toss it. There you go. Ooh, good job.
All right.
Let's see if she break out chocolate, y'all.
Toss
Down
it
here.
down there. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Good
That's just a simple size.
It's like a beautiful Kit Kat.
Yeah, exactly. Kit Kat bar right there.
That was cool.
That's funny.
That was really cool.
Good job, darling. Good job.
We'll make these at home.
Now it's time to just wrap our chocolate bar.
Nice work.
Thank you. Y'all did good
They
too.
work. Very nice.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah, she made that chocolate. What you say?
I do.
Well, you guys, she made a chocolate bar, and Looks like I'm probably gonna eat it. She's not gonna get it. It's most definitely not gonna make it to Memphis.